I like that he has a good heart. He's very kind. He's not tainted by jealousy or things like that. So that's what I love probably the most about him.
There's a smile. Has to be her smile. She's got a really nice smile. Her personality is, she's quite stubborn, and her anger is quite funny as well.
And he's very happy. He's the clown, the joker of his friends and even around me, and it's cool because I'm probably quite tense at times, so it's nice that he's real chill because it just like balances us out.
If you believe the things that I do, and we'll see it through.
Went on a picnic in Titahi Bay on a nice lookout.
We went to essentially like a lookout point in Porirua, Titahi Bay.
Had a little picnic set up at the back of the ute, and I asked her.
One afternoon after work, he took us up on a cliff and reversed the car so that it was sort of looking out on the water and the hills and the mountains.
I felt really blessed, and I knew she was going to say yes.
I just got out of the car, I was taking everything in, and I turned around and he was there, down on his knee, and he was drenched, just sweating. I couldn't remember what he said because it was just all a bit much, but that's pretty much how it went down. It was fun, it was nice. It was nice and light, and I like that it was just us, like real low key, because that's what I'm about.
Life is for us to keep, and if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, boy.
So my mum, I love her. I miss her so much. I know she's here with me today. And she loves Kaisa too, so she'll be so happy. And something that made me really appreciative of Kaisa, to the fact that he knows me, is he told my mum before she passed away. So that was really special to me.
We've been together 9 years before I asked the question. Now it's been 11 years and we're getting married.
I'm really excited. He's my one and only. So I'm excited and happy. But I think I'm going to be quite emotional just because our loved ones that aren't here with us but are here in our hearts. So yeah, it's going to be a special moment and I can't wait. So we have these beautiful portraits of them, and it's when they're in full laughter, because that's how we remember them both. They're both very loving, kind-hearted people, very happy, just always about the fun. So that's what we're trying to make this day about, is just to embrace the moment and pay respect to what it represents and the commitment that it's about, and just be happy, just be happy.
start. Our sweet moments of laughter makes my heart grow fonder of you every day of my life. As I've told you before, if you're ever in doubt, baby, take a look in my eyes and reminiscing of the day when I didn't know what to say, and I promised come with me. All you fit be my wife for life, through all the struggle and the strife. Without you, baby, I would rather die. I'd rather be as long as the sun will shine.